Okay, this is a Summit engine lathe, 32 by 120. It has a 6-inch spindle hole. It's a model SPE 830BF. It's new in 2004. It's serial number 2004 3220. It has a 4-drawer chuck in the front, 3-drawer chuck in the rear, taper turning attachment, Fagor 2-axis digital readout, and we're going to run it for you. Inch metric threading. Has rapid traverse also to the carriage. It's 4-way. It's rapiding. You see the digital readout counting. Digital readout reads both in inch and metric. Also, you have a Dorian tool post there with holders. It's a size of a DA. It's feeding right now. Longitudinal. And now you're threading. You're engaged. Okay. So you see the feed, thread, rapid. We're going to run some more speeds for you. But also you have a thread dial indicator. He's moving the tailstock quill out. Again, that's a large live center in the tailstock. It's a two-speed tailstock. Reverse. You can run the turn the spindle on and off from the carriage or from the headstock. Different speed, a higher one obviously. Okay. So you saw some higher speeds, you saw a very low speed, you saw the machine feed, you saw a thread. You can, yeah, the rear chuck, please see that. Also, I want to show a close-up of the ways that they have not, doesn't seem to be any wear on those ways. And I want to show you the taper attachment. And the large hole through. Follow rest, steady rest. So all original paint, by the way. Down there you see a coolant pump motor as well. And again, that's the taper attachment, the brake, the brace for it. Okay, thank you for watching the video.